Google Stitch has some great updates for its app and web design platform. This is the platform where you can create high fidelity prototypes and export them to other platforms. Before you start, here's where you can set your design system. If you click on this palette icon, you can choose from presets, let Stitch decide, or upload your own. If you have the patience, I would switch from 3.0 Flash to 3.1 Pro because we've seen that thinking with 3.1 Pro is better at design. There are two ways you can start running Stitch. One is just typing in your prompt or clicking on this live start mode where you can speak to Stitch and describe your app.
Hey, what are we designing today?
Create a website for a voice-activated smart home display.
Ooh, that sounds so exciting. Let's build the whole thing with a cohesive, modern vibe.
Without typing a single word, it's created a design system and a few pages. It's a pretty good start. One of the updates that flew under the radar for Stitch was this feature for direct edit. If you look at the right toolbar here, there's this icon for a pencil. Click on one of the elements, and you'll see this little modal here where you can edit the text or edit it with AI. If we just edit it with text, we can change it directly. And if you want to edit with AI, go to the bottom and enter your prompt to guide the change. On the right toolbar, there's also this palette for the design system. If you click on it and click into your design system, it'll show you all the specific like seed colors, color themes, color palettes, fonts, and corner radius. Click on any of these items and it reveals an accordion style experience where you can choose different options. So there's the color picker, and if you scroll down to the font section, you can change the font family. There's also this markdown file for the design, so you can copy it, export it to other platforms. If you go back into the main design system area, you can add new design systems or import them from a website. Now, if you use this marked option, the cursor, you can select multiple screens and click on this play button to create and preview with an instant prototype. This connects your screens and lets you interact with it. So if we click on the start tracking, it'll bring us to the next screen where we can interact with these elements like this drop down and these toggle buttons. We can save and continue. On the right toolbar here, you can switch the view to another device. You can even create a QR code to give it to other testers. If you choose the edit option at the top, you can edit these screens right in this prototype. If we go back to our main design area, we can export this in different formats, including a format to build an AI studio for Figma, Jules as a zip file, copy it to a clipboard, export it for MCP, create a project brief, and even create a Stitch React app for a fully interactive experience. It looks like you can only create one React app at a time. So here's our interactive experience for this design. So we can start clicking through these options here, select our make. So it's a great design tool not only because of what you can create and how you can create it using your voice, but also what you can export to other platforms. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.